Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Mike with Woo Audio. This week's episode of Frequently Asked Questions, we're going to talk about vacuum tubes that are compatible with your amplifier versus tubes that are recommended by the manufacturer. Many vacuum tube amplifiers, including ours, can use tubes that are different from the stock tubes originally supplied with the amplifier. In the hobby, we call this tube rolling. We made a separate video about tube rolling, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. To give you an example of a compatible tube, our WA6 second generation amplifier is designed for 13DE7 power and driver tubes. But it is also electrically compatible with the 12SN7 tube with the help of an adapter. However, compatible does not mean the manufacturer recommends it. In the case of the WA6 second generation, the 12SN7 driver and power tube has a lower output than the stock 13DE7 tube. So if you use the 12SN7 tube with this amplifier, you will actually get less output out of the amplifier than the stock tubes. And that's why we don't recommend this tube even though it's compatible with the amplifier. Certainly experimenting with tubes can be a lot of fun to achieve the sound that you desire. But keep in mind that if you change out the power tubes, you can also change the specifications of the amplifier and also the noise floor. But if you're okay with that, go ahead and have fun. For most customers, we recommend upgrading to tubes that we selected for the amplifier because our recommendations are carefully chosen for the design of the amplifier. Additionally, extensive listening tests were done to ensure that the upgrade tubes are truly an upgrade from the stock tubes. If you have a question about your Woo Audio system, send us an email and we'll try our best to answer it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see everyone in our next video.